I have a KitchenAid fridge / the fridge is still keeping cold but the ice maker and water dispenser and the light inside is not working. At first the light for the door ajar was on and beeping. We checked all doors, beeping stopped but light stayed on, then we shut the breaker off and then on, now the light is off.
When did you last replace your KitchenAid fridge's water filter? How old is the fridge?
About 1 month ago.
How long has this been going on with your KitchenAid ice maker? What have you tried so far?
Just started.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Please read my entire post. My name is Woody. I'm sorry to hear that you're having issues. I'm also be assisting you along with other customers, so there may be a delay in responses. Do not panic, just wait for my reply. Note, the website will send you a prompt for a phone call and pop UPS. Those are not from me, so if you do not want me to call you, then please ignore IT. May I please have the unit's full model number? And w10772358 is not a model number. If you open the fresh food section door, the model/serial tag should be on the interior wall near the top.
Model #KRMF706S01.
Thank you. Give me a few minutes to pull up information on this model. I am also assisting you along with other customers, so there may be a delay in responses. Do not panic, just wait for my reply.
No.
This light, is it the fresh food or freezer lights or both fresh food and freezer sections lights?
I don't want to make a live call and pay another $35.
Remember, I asked to please read my entire post. As stated and noted earlier in my first post to you, if you're referring to a phone call prompt or pop UPS, I did not send that to you. The website that we are using does, not I. So again, this light issue, is it the fresh food or freezer lights or both fresh food and freezer sections lights?
Both lights and water don't work. No ice.
Okay, so if it is all lights, fresh food and freezer section, and no chilled water or ice dispensing operation, you may have a door switch issue, or it could be a bad control board. Do you have a voltometer and know how to use it? Do be able to do any resistance and voltage testing?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.